And so in this problem, we are asked to draw a single card from a standard deck of 52 cards, and we are asked how many ways could this be done if we obtain either a club or a queen. Well, kind of like a previous problem, we know that in our standard deck, our number of queens will be 4 queens, 1 for each suit. And likewise, we know that our number of clubs will be 13. And in addition to this, we know that we have 1 queen of clubs. And so our counting formula then tells us that our number of queens or clubs will be our number of queens plus our number of clubs minus our number that are both queens and clubs. And so plugging in the values that we have 4 queens, 13 clubs, and 1 queen of clubs gives us a total of, again, 16 possibilities of drawing a queen or a club.